Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire and I do jewellery tutorials for complete beginners. All the supplies that you see are available on my website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, which I'll link below for you, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. So what am I actually using today? I've got some lovely 8mm glass beads. We've got some 3mm silver beads. We've got some thread, a needle, a stationery clip which I use as a bead clip, 2 pairs of pliers for the jump rings. The jump rings are 8mm, and I've got a lobster clasp. And these are really simple to make, and I'll show you how I do them. Now the length of this is 30 centimetres, so I just cut the piece 30 centimetres. Thread the needle, pop the clip on the end to stop the beads from falling off. Then we take the large bead with a silver, another large, with a silver, pop those down, another large with a silver, and another large bead with a silver. Four large beads, 4 silver beads. We've got a silver bead on the end, not one there, because we're now going to join it up. So we take the bead clip off, and I'll just use the needle. I'm going to go through twice and do a surgeon's knot, pull, and then we do one the other way, and then I do one for luck the normal way. Just thread this through, it's easier to do it this way. Now I'm going to thread 4 silver beads. If you're going to use 6mm, you'll need 5 beads, but with the 8mm we just need 4. There's the tail. Do not cut the tail off, we actually need that. And it's up to you which way you go. We can go to around here to that bead, or we can do this one. I just see how it falls, so. And I'm going to thread through that one there and pull. And that's what we have. Again, thread another 4 beads. There's the 4 beads. So we're going to go into that silver bead there. Another 4 beads. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. One, two, three, 4. Right, so 4 beads. And then we're going to go into the next silver one. And finally another 4 beads. And then we're going to go into that silver bead, the very last one there. There we go. Take the needle off. That's all it looks like. So we now need to tie these off. And I'm now going to do the surgeon's knot. So we go over twice and one the other way. And then snip the thread. Now to make the earrings, I've gone ahead and already made some up. You would take a jump ring, hook through one of these beads at the very top, put your hook on, and I'll show you a picture of them already done. Very, very easy to do. Again, I'm using 8mm jump rings. You can use smaller, 6, 5, it's entirely up to you. We come back. These are the ones I've made up. So in total, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. In total, we've got 7. And if I put them like this is how we're going to make our bracelet. Now with the very first one, take our pliers, open the jump ring. So I'm going on one of the points. I just have to choose one of the pointy beads at the top. Go through. Put my lobster clasp. I'm actually choosing a larger lobster clasp because obviously it's a nice large bracelet. I always think a small one doesn't look quite right. These are 16mm lobster clasps. And then we close that one. Then we take another jump ring, open the jump ring. Remember, you always go this way, never like this. And then we're going to go then we're going to go through one of those. Then we're going to hook through this one here. Can be a bit fiddly. And then we'll join them together. So again, we take another jump ring, thread through one, Open another one, close. See how simple these are to make just by using this pattern. I did make another pair of earrings very similar, which I'll show you with some using some bicone beads if you want to check that one out. So again, open a jump ring through there, through there, and then close. And then we end with a clip just on the end. And there we have our bracelet. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So thank you for watching, take care, and as always, happy crafting.